For a living, I'm a construction worker, superintendent on some large projects. Well, the hardest part of my job as a superintendent involves the amount of walking I do in a day. I work roughly about 12 hours a day, so I do a lot of climbing, do a lot of walking around the project site, up and down 5 floors of stairs. So I work about 60 to 80 hours a week, depending on which week it is. I've had the back pain for about 20 years now, and been trying to work my way through it. It's when I came to see Dr. Garg for some help. Well, for 20 years, sometimes more than others, I've had to have pain medicine just to get by on a daily basis. I started seeing Dr. Garg about almost 3 years ago, and he been seeing him ever since. Dr. Garg did a stem cell procedure on my back, lower back primarily, and the upper back, regions that there was no way in the world I was going to get an operation on. These are areas that there's not options for. There's no other options on the market to fix these areas. On the day of the procedure, coming in to get the stem cell procedure, what I did was I came in. I was Even though I was pretty nervous about the procedure going down, it all went real smooth. I was nice and relaxed. During the procedure, Dr. Garg extracted bone marrow and fat and mixed it with PRP. And after that, when we started the procedure, he used a special ultrasonic machine to pinpoint the locations where it was going to go into my back, where we previously talked about it needing with the tests that we've done. Dr. Garg did the procedure on me approximately 2 months ago, and I just continually feel better. It seems like every day I feel a little bit better, and I've got to a point where sometimes I still have to take some pain medicine, but it's rarely, and at this point it's complete relief. I mean, there's days and times that I don't have any pain whatsoever, which is something I never experienced before. The thing I like the most about Dr. Garg and his staff is this is probably one of the best. I'm going to call it a family clinic for lack of a better term. I know everybody here. Everybody here greets me. It's a place you enjoy going to. It's not a clinical environment, so to speak. I've been coming down here for a while now, and I just feel like part of the family.